If your business scanning needs call for the best production-level advanced features, coupled with the ease of use and setup of a desktop device, then come experience the exceptional value of the Kodak S3000 series scanners. Its versatility and remarkably secure features make the S3000 series ideal for various industries, from education, healthcare and financial, to government and transportation. With embedded image processing speed, you'll get better images and have more free CPU cycles on your PC to speed up application processing. The straightforward user experience of the S3000 series delivers ease, productivity, and longevity, so you can focus on your business. Get started with a hassle-free, easy setup for your network, and then navigate intuitively with the color touchscreen UI. And optimize your business process with customized workflows for multiple users. The S3000 series features perfect page technology for optimal OCR accuracy and intelligently manages a host of image processing tasks like barcode reading, streak removal, background smoothing, and digital stamping. With intelligent document protection, the S3000 series prevents document damage, safeguards data, and saves you time and money by avoiding costly rescanning. It also features a new improved feeder and output tray with multi-feed detection and controlled exit stacking to handle various sizes and types of documents. And of course, the S3000 series comes with secure boot and secure network encryption and is fully supported by services and warranty from Kodak Alaris. So when you're ready for the versatility of robust production-level scanning with all the ease and streamlined functionality of a desktop scanner, it's time for the Kodak S3000 series scanners. Built for today, ready for tomorrow.